to tell you some interesting thing about more and less for the teachers. So right now, what to do? So here I have suggested some kind of activities, and for that I have written their name as STEAM guide, or you can say that STEAM activities for mathematics. So here we have some interesting things over here. So right now I am going to tell you what is STEAM. STEAM is basically a thing, in which in activities we have created for science, technology and engineering, and A stands for arts and M stands for, of course, mathematics. So right now here I have to tell you how you are going to teach your class and how you are going to introduce or start the lesson. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to put two objects of different quantities on table so that the students can easily access them, and show to them that which group has more object. This is what you are going to ask from the students. Okay, which group has more objects? And when they tell you which one has more objects, so you are going to say them, great, let's put these two objects by changing their quantities. Okay, then you are going to ask again, which group has less objects? And tell them that less means lower in quantity. So right now, which group has less objects? So you are going to ask this thing as well from the students, and they are going to definitely answer that. Then you are going to say that and keep on noticing the things and keep on encouraging the students. Then the children begin to notice things that are of more and less quantities. So here I have suggested a science activity in which I have shown you two quantities in glass. Show them two water bottles or glasses. I suggest glasses must be good because from these glasses they can easily see through from it. So they can easily see through from these glasses. So that's why this is my suggestion that you need to put glasses on the table. Or you are going to check one more interesting thing, that is the capacity of the glasses must be same. They don't have of different quantities, give different capacities. This is what you all have to take notice by yourself. So right now, with more or less quantity of water, for some kind of water or juice or something which is easily accessible to you guys, so you are going to put these two things. Okay, if you are going to pour water, then do pour water in these two glasses like this, as you have seen in the pictures. Yes, this picture. In this picture, the glass has less water, and do ask in the same way from the students as well. This glass has less water. And what about this glass? This glass has more water. So in the same way, the students are going to observe their things from their surroundings, okay? From their surrounding, their nearby things in the class, okay? And outside the class as well, and near their houses, and maybe inside their houses as well. Okay, now you are going to do one more interesting. This interesting thing is actually the engineering side. There is the development in their creativity side. So this thing is, I have written the name engineering over here. So you need to tell the students that what to do actually. The students are going to construct two houses. Yes, one with more and other with less number of blocks. You must have some building blocks. The students are already familiar with it. Or if not, you need to introduce them with these building blocks. These building blocks are easily accessible to you, and you are going to buy it for the students, and you must put these things in the class as well. And tell the students that you are going to make a house, and you can just make one house for them to check as a demo, and the rest of the house student can create by themselves by building the blocks. So the students are going to build houses from less building blocks and more building blocks, and to ask from the students which house has less building blocks? They are going to definitely answer you. And you are also going to ask which house has more building blocks. So in this way, students are going to definitely answer you in the same way, and you are going to keep encouraging them and keep appreciating them so that they are going to participate in the class. I have created one art activity for you guys as well. For this sake, just paste beads in two same printed pictures of fish with more and less quantity of beads. So you just take beads, put these beads somewhere in the box, and the students are going to come, or you just give them a printed sheet in which there must be two fish over there. So in this way, you can just check this picture out for more clear understanding. So here, these bubbles, from these bubbles, in the side of these bubbles, from which are coming from this fish mouth. So you can, or the students can paste beads, okay, or bunties, or something like which is, you can see easily. So that, or you can access them easily. So in this way, students are going to ask, so which fish has more beads and which fish has less beads. So in this way, the students are going to answer the questions, and you are going to put the beads over there in front of the table so that the students can easily access that with the help of UHU glue or something glue or paste for pasting purpose. So this activity is very interesting as well for the students' purpose, and they are going to definitely learn some artistic or creative look. Now finally, the STEAM is for M stands for mathematics. So I have taken a strip, and you are also going to prepare a strip in this way. There must be the sections like 0, 1, 2, 3 sections, okay, like this. Use a strip with number written on it as below, and then you are going to do what? And you are going to teach the child that 1 is more than 0. And you can say that 2 is more than 1. Again, the next number, that is 3. 3 is more than the number 2. In the same way, you can keep on telling them and keep on asking them. And one more thing you need to do, that is you are going to tell them very interesting thing, that is then you are going to teach the child that 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, and 2 is less than the number, yes, 3. Of course, keep on counting in this way. And the strip, you need to show that strip on the board, whiteboard, or you can just have it on the table. So the size of this must be bigger enough so that the students can get around, and then they are going to observe the things well. Hope these activities are clear to you guys, and you are going to participate the students in these activities as well as you, because the teacher must be very much attentive, and the teacher must also play with the students of this age, and then the students are going to enjoy with the teacher in the class, and they are going to learn a lot of it. Hope this is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.